Hey guys, so in this topic, I'm going to explain how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to copy lab start installing review and paste it right here. Okay, while that's loading, we're going to read here. Prepare Kickstart file in the server B machine as specified and provide it at the link address. On the server B machine, copy the root anaconda. Yes, fig. Okay, so we're going to do that by first going to student server B, SSH student at server B. Okay, now we are going to sudo cat into this. Hold on. We're just going to copy this file. CFG, then we're going to put an arrow. Going to start the CFG. Okay, we're gonna enter that. Then the password is student. Okay. Now what we're going to do is going to sudo vim into, what was the next one? Into this kickstart file. Okay. Okay, now that we're in, we are going to first click insert, so you can insert anything. Then comment out reboot. Then we are going to the repositories. Go over here. We are going to modify this repo command, this base OS repository with this address. So we're going to keep deleting this. Base URL equals. Okay. And we are going to paste the one we copied. Okay, now the next one for the app stream, we're going to delete this as well. And we are going to copy base URL. This address, we're going to paste that in as well. Okay, now we're going to change the URL command to use this as the installation source. We're going to go over to the installation here. So we're just going to delete it, keep deleting until you reach this quotes single. Okay, so now that we're done, we have to, oh yeah, don't forget for the last quote here. Okay, next to the network, what do you do? Comment out the network command. Okay, now that that is comment out, we're going to go to the root password. Comment out, okay, change the root password command to set Red Hat as a root user password. So we are going to do that by changing this into plain text red hat. Okay, now that's done, we are going to modify the select command to set the SSD services. Okay, so to do that, we have to go to select and change this to SSD. Okay, now we are going to the services, system services. There you are. So in instructions, you're going to command to disable kdump and this services, to enable these three services. Okay, so we are going to do that by first we are going to delete here. We can stop here. Delete this until you reach SSHD. There you are. So we are going to disable kdump and this, and to enable SSHD, RGE, and content. Okay, very good. Now delete the part commands. But I don't think we have to delete them. I just have to comment them out. So there's our the part commands. First part command, we are going to comment that out as well, and comment that. Okay, now in instructions, we have to add the auto part command. So we have to add here, auto part, then we are going to simplify the post section. So the transcript on date. Okay, simplify it. So where could that be? Here. No, I don't think it's here. Um, okay, start from here. We are going to delete everything. Okay, now once we reach post, we are going to stop deleting. We need to stop deleting here and add echo quotes kickstarted on number sign parentheses date, then close, and don't forget your quotes. Then put some arrows going to here. Okay, now that that is done, we are going to check for instructions. Simplify the package section so it includes the following. Okay, so we're gonna copy this and HTTPD as well, and we are going to delete this except Plymouth. Okay. Okay, to make everything look good, we are going to change the format of this. Enter. Okay, we're gonna delete this and enter. Okay, so that looks good. We're just gonna check apply multi install. Okay, now we have to validate the syntax of the kickstart file. Okay, to do that, we're going to first escape. We're going to escape first here. Then save this with colon WQ, write and save. And now we're going to make a validator, KS validator, kickstart .cfg, KS validator kickstart.cfg. Okay, enter. Okay, now it looks like we have no errors. So now we are going to sudo cp kickstart.cfg slash var slash www slash html slash ks dash config, and don't forget your last slash. Enter. We're going to enter student as the password. Okay, now we are going to grade this installing review and press enter. Oh no, I forgot to exit. Okay, now we're going to grade it again. Okay, now that we are passed, we have to finish our install and review. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.